Once you have completed building your resume in College Central Network, or you've uploaded a resume to College Central Network, you have several great options available to help make your work more visible to potential employers. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the resume landing screen, and there's a gray box called Resume Authorization. Here's where you give permissions to make your resume visible to employers, and we have hundreds of them in this database. That would allow them to search and see your resume. You can also give permission for CCV Career Services to refer your resume to prospective employers. And so you can just simply read the choices here, choose the one that's right for you. If you choose any of the top 3 bubbles, not only can employers potentially view your resume, but Career Services can also then email you with reaching out for any jobs that might be a good fit. So we can send alerts to you as well. So that's something to consider. Again, we have hundreds of employers who are utilizing this system. We would love to have them find you, and simply clicking your choice in this box and then Save Authorizations will allow you to do that.